Wow, that was super easy. In the config panel for the OSD, I set it up as a copter. This area, I'm not going to get into the technicalities of this, but it's set up well. When a warning occurs, it's going to automatically switch to panel 1. That's cool. Channel 8 will rotate through the off position, and then panel 1 and panel 2 have to play with this rotate switching. All of this is pretty well set. I want imperial units instead of metric. I'll let the OSD warn me about battery at 0.1 volts above the fail safe, which makes it return home and land automatically. That's cool. Video mode, NTSC on that tab. Panel 1. This is a lot of stuff that are pertinent. But basically, this is here for when it goes into error for this one and overspeed or whatever. So I'll let it switch to this panel on a warning. Tell me what the warning is, and then I've got all sorts of stuff here. Make sure that's NST. Okay. And this is my minimum one. I've got my altitude here, my velocity of the craft here. This will be my temperature for kicks and grins, just because I want to see it. Probably take that out later. This is the number of satellites I've got hooked. Distance to next waypoint. Oops, didn't want to move that around. Distance to next waypoint. Direction to next waypoint, etc. Mode of operation. Current drain on the battery. Total time in the air, which is cool. Even after your arm and stuff, this resets to 0 when you go above 20% on the throttle. This will be the total trip distance. This is the home altitude. This is the distance to home, and this is the direction to home. So that's all I need when things are going well in the display. When warnings come up for whatever reason, it will switch to this panel. Tell me what the warning is here, and then I can go to the associated one here that I know by heart what they are. Elsewise, I'll be running on this one when I need to know a little information like, help, which way's home? Other than that, it'll flip here for warnings. Other than that, it will be off. How easy. All I have to do is wait for the OSD to arrive and save it to here. Cool.